The sides need a bit of work. We'll see how that turns out. I like to put laminate on it. It is quicker, a little easier. Anyway, continue on. I'm going to flip this and sand both sides. All right. Okay, with all that vinyl off now, I started to sand. I originally put this orbital sander 220 grit pad on there. It wasn't taking very much off. I switched to a much coarser, it was 60 grit, and this one here. And so you can see some of the glue that's, you know, on the cabinet was getting on the pad. So what had happened, once you start sanding and heating up this glue, it starts to get sticky, ball up. So there's a section here that was starting to ball up and smear and make a worse surface. So I got that scraped off, and just went back to the 220 grit. I'm just going to sand that, leave that glue the way it is. I'm not going to take it off. Taking it off just makes the surface worse. So just did a light sanding on there. That's smooth enough. This front, it's going to get a laminate, black laminate piece that I already have. This surface here, just under the marquee where the speaker holes are, did that a light sand. It actually feels good just with that 220 grit. And I'm just going to spray that with the black spray paint. I'm just going to have this all, it's all connected up. This is already just originally just sprayed the spray paint. Anyway, continue on. I'm going to flip this and sand both sides. All right. Finished sanding here for now. Next step on this is get some bondo, which I have right here. So bondo, and seal up these corners, or make these corners, sand them up. First time I've done this, it's worked on this end, scored it, snapped it. It's not all that great. If I watch your fingers, I have to put some gloves on because it's sharper than hell. If this doesn't work, then I've ruined this piece, so it works. Check, make sure it's big enough. Oh yeah, that's big enough. Okay, we're gonna laminate this side. We're gonna use adhesive. This Super 77 300 spray adhesive. We'll spray both sides, the laminate, the cabinet, And then when that gets dry, gets tacky, we'll lay these out like that. I'm going to get some more space here. We'll take this sheet, transfer it over here, put it down. These save you from having that adhere right away, so you can have a little bit of grace. We can set it up where we want it, and then pull these out, starting from the middle, and then start working our way using this roller here. Using this roller, and we're going to roll it out, and this laminate's kind of here to the cabinet. And then take the trimmer, same trimmer I used for the T-molding groove here. We're going to trim all around it, and it'll be counterclockwise. Okay, we're going to get going here. Let me make some room, and then we're going to be off to the races. Shit, practices, this is not good. Disaster. What the hell here? That didn't work out very good, did it?
You painting? Sorry about that.
Yeah, you get my text?
No? My phone is in the house.
Oh.
I can't keep track of everything you're doing all the
I
time.
know. Get out!
Okay. Do you need anything?
No, thank you.
Okay, bye. Get out of here.
Okay, I'm just going to check on the can, see how long we need to wait. Get that out. Ta-da! It's done. I actually did it outside because it creates a lot of dust. Yeah, it went pretty good. It's rolled in the driveway. Here's the trimmer. I know I didn't get on camera, but it's kind of cold outside. And keep the dust out, but took the trimmer. This is an edge, kind of an edge bit on it. There's a little bearing on, ball bearing there. Since we're doing kind of an outside frame, I went counterclockwise. So in this direction, and I went all around. You know, it's quite a handy thing. I mean, you could use a big router, but this little guy's it works good, and it's quick. Zipped it right off. It was like less than 5 minutes. Yeah, that was it. I'm just gonna brush it off, check it over, maybe file a couple of spots. But no, that's it. That is it. Now we'll flip it over and do the other side. Sides are done. And that's the end of the day, so that was pretty productive, I must say. Last of the bondo done, and then we put this laminate on both sides, so pretty happy. Sweet. See you next time.